Very quickly, this is how you assemble side channels for the roller blinds. There's an outer and an inner, and they slip together like that. Now they're still loose, and you're going to slip a black plastic disc in here that will lock these into place. The black discs have two sides, one with a solid ring, one with a 3-piece ring that has little gaps in it. Those allow it to be compressed. You need a standard screwdriver that fits like this does. Hold it and you slide it in skinny ways into the channel. Push down and then rotate it. And it does one more click. That is how you stabilize and lock and repeat on the other end the same way.